Welcome to Kunstmatrix. This short video explains how to upload a 2D artwork, a painting in this case. Go to your art depot and on Add Artwork. Use web-optimized JPEGs at a length of 1500 to 1900 pixels and compress them at a size below 5 MB. 2 or 3 is optimal. Fill in the form in this first tab from top to bottom with all the info you have on the piece. If you have the information at hand in the files you have pre-organized for upload, you can copy and paste this information into the required form fields. Pay attention to the size. This will determine the proportion of your artwork in the gallery rooms. The depth you assign will make the canvas look thicker or thinner on the wall. If you assign no dimensions, the system will take a default measure of 1 meter. Fill in the dimensions for proper scaling and presentation. In the second tab of the artwork upload, you can fill in additional information, a price, select a currency, and add text to be displayed in the detail mode of the artwork inside an exhibition. Click on the green Save button to see the results of your upload. After saving the first artwork, you can go to Add Artwork again for the next one. In case you don't know or don't have the actual size of the artwork, fill in the first info in the first tab and then have a look at the image file's proportions. In detail of the file properties, you can see the dimension in pixels. This will give you a base for what to enter as height and width in the first tab. If you take these as the base in centimeters, you will get a proper proportion of display of the work in the room. Deleting an artwork. From the artwork upload form, click on Delete, which will display in red once your mouse hovers over it. Or from the Artwork Manager, the Art Depot. Click on the little wheel at the right-hand side of the artwork list. There you get a drop-down menu and you can delete it right there. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Please make sure to check out all of our how-to tutorials. And in case you can't find what you're looking for, you can always contact us via the contact form on our website. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any new tutorials.